Hello art lovers, welcome to Chitrakshiartstudio. So today in this video we are going to make a beautiful butterfly and we are going to use a technique that is called Zectangle art. So that is a very creative and different technique which we are going to use here. So let's get started. So here we are going to use macaron pen which is available in black colors, especially used for doodling and rectangle art. If you don't have this pen, you can also use normal black sketch pen or black pen. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you had enjoyed the art session. Do try this beautiful and easy painting at home and share your valuable experience in comment section below. You can also join my online art classes available for all age group from beginners to advanced level. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more art related videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates. Your appreciation means a lot to me. See you guys in the next art video.